Hello YouTube, it's Corey here. Today we're back at it again with the TDI. We have a crack in this hose right here at the accordion part, and I'm going to go ahead and replace this today. I have the new hose here. There's your part number right there. The part number is also on the hose itself. Yeah, this is very simple. You can see at the end here, you just squeeze this part of it and it opens it up on each side there and allows you to pull that hose back off of here. This flexes a little bit, as you can see, so as soon as you get that released there, then we'll loosen this here. You can use a Phillips style screwdriver or flathead. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen this. It's pretty loose already, actually. And then reach over here. Actually, it's better to switch hands here. Grab it here like so. And squeeze and pull towards you. There we go. You just have to push this back a little bit and pull it towards you. Now I'm just going to swing it up like that and slowly work it off of the CCV valve here. Might have to loosen this clamp up a little bit more. It's pretty loose. Trying to do this one-handed, guys. There we go. All right. This is junk. Let's take our hose clamp off. Might need to loosen it up a little bit more. Okay, here's the crack right here in the hose, right at the accordion part there. I believe this is the original. I have 200,000 miles on the vehicle, so it's lasted a long time. I'm going to throw this away. I already have the hose clamp installed there on the new piece. What I'm going to do now is just wipe up both of these fittings on each side. Make sure they're clean, and then install the new hose. Alright, we have our new hose. Now we can firmly push this on the CCV valve. Just line it up, and might need to twist it back and forth until it seats into its correct position. There we go. You'll feel it. You'll get that sweet spot. All right. Hose clamp is loose there. I'll tighten that up later. I'm just going to swing this down here. Make my final connection. You might need to push this back a little bit. There we go. Just going to line this up and then push it back into place. There's a little O-ring there. You can see that, so it seals up nice and tight. So we're going to go ahead and push this, apply pressure. You'll hear it snap. There we go. That's where it needs to be. Now we just tighten this up, and that'll be it. You don't have to go crazy with tightening this thing down too much. All right, it's nice and tight. Everything looks great, guys. That is it. That completes it. Very simple, easy thing to do. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you out. Thanks for watching, take care, and be sure to check out all my other Volkswagen TDI videos.